Hi everyone, it's Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I want to share a quick story about how we designed ShinglEx 800 with everyone in mind. When we developed ShinglEx 800, we wanted to offer color options for contractors and homeowners. But at the same time, we were also thinking about distributors like ABC, SRX, TOXO, etc. and how the product could be stocked and handled efficiently. That's why we came up with a simple and smart solution. We store ShinglEx 800 in clear, and based on the order, we provide a quart of colorant for each 5-gallon pail. This approach makes inventory much easier for distributors, gives flexibility to contractors, and still delivers the color options homeowners want. It's a simple example of how we try to design our products and systems to address the real needs of all players in the market: distributors, contractors, and end users. So if there is something more we can do to support your needs, feel free to reach out. We are always open to collaboration. Questions, comments below, like it, hit like, once more, subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you next time.